Hey Divas and Divos, it's me, just Londa, and I mean big hair, cause you know, LuuLuu, LuuLuu is collaborating with me.
Hey Londa, thanks for letting me do this collab with you, girl. I don't know, because I'm a little intimidated because your looks are so glamorous. I hope my look is as good as yours. Thanks again for letting me do this bomb collab with you. It really took me a minute to put together enough products, but I will rise to the challenge because my girl Londa said, "Come on, Lou, we can do this." All right, once again, thanks a lot. See you later.
LuuLuu, thank you for collaborating with me. I really appreciate us celebrating Black History Month, collaborating with one another, joining forces. You know, I always want to promote Black-owned products and collaborating with other YouTubers. You know what I'm saying? And just trying to, we can all eat. I always say we can all eat. So yeah, this smoky eye, excluding the hair, because we went from this to this. So let's go ahead and roll that beautiful baked bean footage. Alright, Divas and Divos, what I did do is put concealer, or Juvia's Place concealer, all over the eyelids, number 12, and then I did set it with my powder from Juvia's Place. So I have a couple of palettes here. I don't know what palette I really want to work from. So use at your own discretion. Because I just want to do like a smoky eye, you know. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to take the number 9, the Fenty, the wine palette from Fenty. And I really just want to take this, She's Bubbly. Take She's Bubbly and put that all over the lid. I'm also going to take that and put it underneath my brow because everything is so yellow toned and I just want to kind of tone it down some, just a tad bit. I also want to take a Pat McGrath liner. I'm telling you, this liner is the business. And we're just going to line our lash line. Now I'm going to skip the white part of my eye. I'm not going to take it all the way in. I'm also going to extend like a little bit of a wing. Now it doesn't matter like how it looks right now because we're going to smudge it out. So I'm just going to smudge it out. Okay, Divas and Divas, and that's it. Just joking. I think those names are wrong. So I'm just going to take this color right here and kind of put that from the outer to maybe like 2/3 of the eye. We'll say about 2/3 of the eye. If I don't like it, I can change it. Now I'm going to use a fluffy brush because using a fluffy brush will actually, because I'm dealing with a matte, kind of disperses a bit better. Now I know this is my socket bone here, and I am just taking the remaining bits and just bringing it up top and then bringing it over. I'm going to take my tried and true Juvia's Place and go in with the Ready color here. Same brush, and I'm just going to bring that over to about 2/3 of the eye so we can start having a gradual effect. Gonna clean up here. Simple, easy. Last color we're going in with is with a darker brownie color. We're gonna grab this one from Juvia's Place because I really love this color here. And what I really want to do is just bring it low where that lower lash line is and start smoking that part out. Actually, I need to deepen it up some more, so I'm going to go back in with the pencil. Alright, so you have something like that, and then we're just going to go back in with that darker color and just smoke it out. I feel like I should use a black, but I really don't like using black too much. Not for a basic smoky eye. You really want to pile this color on so it can be so smoky. Pull this out some more. And I'm going to grab this champagne color and put that right at the beginning part of the eye. And I'm just going to lightly fan it out. That same brush that has everything on there, we just want to blend. Awesome. All you need to do now is just clean up everything. So I'm going to clean up my face and come back, and then we can do the lower lash as well. Alright, so I've got number 12 concealer all over, well, highlighted, and then I set it with Juvia's Place powder in Kalahari. And then I have Pat McGrath black liner. I think it's extreme black. That liner there. So I'm just going to go back in with this brownie color from Fenty. And that is what we're going to start using to be like the backdrop of the lower lash. to go in with that brownie color and start smoking out that lash line. I'm definitely not going to go to the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to start from the 2/3 over and connect to the wing. I just want to clean up the lower lash, the lower smokiness, just to make sure. Now with the inner tear duct, I'm just going to go back in with that painting color and just go on the lower lash line. And just have it connect. Okay? So I'm going to put on the rest of my face, do something to this hair of mine, and we'll come back and talk about it. Alright, Divas and Divos, this is the finished look. On my face, I have Juvia's Place I Am Magic in the color Gabon. I was about to call it something else. Oh my gosh. The contour, it is Congo Stick Foundation from Juvia's Place. I did use a bronzer contour powder. We'll talk about that in the next episode. The lashes are Pretty Little Glam. The lipstick is from McGrath, and that is Beauty Junkie. The lip liner, it is actually a plummy color from Gordon Cosmetics. If you haven't heard of Gordon Cosmetics, I'll link it up there. And down there. I also topped it off with Pat McGrath lip gloss in Pale Fire Nectar. Anything else that highlighter, I know you can't really see with all this big hair, is actually Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife, and then I did my buffing technique, but I did use Almond powder along with Fenty Beauty. So also I did bring that up just a bit because I wanted to be more smoky and bigger, you know what I'm saying? So yes, Divas and Divos, look at this look using black owned products. Yes, and I mean you can get this look using any sort of browns, or if you want to switch it up with purples. I love purples. Pinks, yes, you can do a smoky pink eye. It's a bit of a mess, but it can be done, okay? But this look, I adore it. I feel so young. Also, my eye shape looks a bit different. So yeah, Divas and Divos, let me know if you like this. Also, thank you so much, LuuLuu, again for collaborating with me for gosh, really. Again, LuuLuu, thank you for collaborating with me for, you know, Black History Month, doing Black-owned products. I know, I can't wait to see your look, because you be hunting and you be making people want to buy stuff. So again, Divas and Divos, thanks for watching, rating, subscribing, all that good jazz to make me feel so warm and fuzzy inside. Peace and peace. Bye.